got shrapnel? I got some on my back. Everyone want to check to see if we're all right? You got some blood on your lip here. What up, boys? We're taking the freaking Thailand riverboat out today. I'm so stoked we got a special guest. He's almost to the house right now. I got a few things left to do to dial this thing in, but this 28-foot boat from Thailand with the 600 horsepower twin turbo or compound turbo diesel engine is about to be ripping on the Florida Intracoastal waters. Pretty sure this is the first Thai boat in the United States. I got like one or two things I got left to do before we put her out on the water, but dude, we're freaking ready to rip. My shaft got all corroded, and so in order to put it in the transmission, I gotta polish my shaft real quick. Hey, can you grab my shaft and spin it? What? Got a case you need me to approve?
Yes, take a look at this.
Okay.
It is, you wanted some, they're missing a ton of bone in the interior, so you wanted to add some pink there?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. And then can I see the prep design as well? Roman, what do you think? How's that look?
It looks a little tight, right? Is it a little tight?
It is.
It is, yeah, I would loosen up maybe, what was that, 22? What? I mean, I'm not a dentist.
Man, you got a dentist in the back seat.
Yeah.
Is that the same advice you'd go with?
Yeah, and maybe lower the margin on the buckle of 22. What do you think?
Oh yeah, 22. Yeah, I was just looking at that.
Yeah. All right. Other than that, it looks good. Send to final.
I've never seen somebody make up so much mumbo jumbo in my life, dude. It sounded good.
You had me
believing it.
I'm a dentist working on a Friday, dude. Rare breed here. The mumbo jumbo part, man. That's
tough.
We speak our own language, you know? Yeah, dude, so I actually had this thing made in Thailand. I went over and got it. This is
he was so excited.
A twin turbo diesel engine out of a pickup truck over there. And she chooches. So we're gonna go out and rip this thing on the Intercoastal in the saltwater.
It also rolls all the time.
It's never rolled over, dude.
No, come on, be honest.
Nah, we'll be good, we'll be good. You were asking about it. This bottom half fills with water. You know, it's a counterweight, we'll be good. But I haven't run this thing in like a year. It's gonna be a little bit of trial and tribulation when we're out there.
I'm ready for trial.
I do this. I gotta back this thing in. We gotta get the shaft. Just don't touch my shaft, all right?
All right, I won't touch. I'll let you do it by yourself. I'll let you handle your shaft alone.
We gotta get the shaft on. We gotta get the straps off, and then she's ready to back into the water and rip. I got a little spot we can go to. Check it out.
Can we ramp the sandbar? Is it possible to skim across the sand?
You know, dude, I've always wanted to try it, and I think today's the day. I'm bringing a paddle in case we break down. A little canoe action.
Just keep wiggling?
I don't know if it's in all the way. Is it in yet?
We might need to know that. Does it go all the way to here?
No, I don't think so, but I could be wrong.
Have you done this yet?
It's been a while. It's been about a year since I've had it out.
Are you serious?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
That's it?
No.
All right, back out, back out.
All right, now go in. Kind of wiggle it as she goes in.
I got customers picked up. I'm gonna splash.
Do your thing, brother.
That's it. It's all the way.
That's it. Yeah,
I
that's
heard
it.
a clink.
We gotta get this thing in the water before the police get here because I don't have registration on this boat. This part's really important that it's tight because if it's not, then the outer shaft will spin. We just need one person in the boat when we're backing in, and that person's job is just to hold this like this. She had a pretty strong leak, so I want to make sure my boy Roman doesn't sink. She taking on any water?
Well, it already had water in it, to be fair.
That is fair, but I had to plug a giant leak in it the other day.
Did you use Flex Seal?
Flex Seal. Duct tape, actually. Oh, you got your laptop? Perfect. Just leave it in here.
I should leave the laptop, right?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna put some fire in the pipes, all right?
What does that mean?
I'm gonna start it.
I have a feeling this thing makes some noise. Everything in Florida is loud and proud.
I don't have power to this system right here. We gotta figure that out real quick. You'll get that on these big jobs, you know? Thanks for holding out on me, boys, not getting an Uber. You ready to tie boat?
Tie boat.
Let's tie boat. You ready, brother? Are you ready? Let's go! We're gonna go to a Seeker sandbar that was created by the hurricanes last year.
Actually?
Yeah, so there was 2 hurricanes, Category 3 and Category 4, that came in here last fall. And they created a new sandbar that's kind of hidden that only the locals know about. So I'm gonna take you guys through there. Not only that, but it created a passage to the ocean from the Intracoastal that was never there before, or hasn't been there in 40 years.
Say no more.
So it's a little shallow, but I think it'd be cool if we could get the boat through there. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I'd say the riskier the better.
I've only flipped over 3 times,
I know.
okay? And this is my 4th time out. All right, you boys ready?
Ready. Show us how it's done, dude. None of that.
You good?
Yeah.
Turbo blew up. Everyone okay?
Yeah.
You got shrapnel?
Definitely some shrapnel in the face.
I got some on my back. Everyone want to check to see if we're all right?
Holy crap.
We just blew it up. Are you okay? You got some blood on your lip here.
I got a little cut.
Oh, dude.
Dude, I was worried about my finger. Something hit my hand so hard.
Yeah, your finger's bleeding.
No, that's just from my lip.
Everyone okay? This thing legit just blew up.
Oh my
Look at all the
God.
oil back there. This turbo just exploded. Dude,
How bad's my lip?
not bad.
You're good.
Hey,
Feels like a hole.
we go to my office and sew it up. I'm gonna call Will, he's gonna tow us
Dude,
back.
we are so lucky right now.
I was so,
Look at this. That could have been someone's head. Like somebody could have died.
I'm putting this thing away. We're never taking it out again.
Hey,
I'm just glad you're okay, dude.
I just want to say, I came here to do Florida stuff.
Bro,
And
what?
The hole in the lip from a motor that exploded feels pretty dang Florida. This is what
I'm just so glad everyone's okay.
you're gonna see this in like
I'm
GTA
shaking. I'm
6.
shaking, dude.
Yeah, we're good.
Hey, where's my phone? I need to call Will. I'm so glad you're okay, dude. I'm so sorry. That is like nightmare fuel.
I've seen this in UFC fights, dude.
You want me to spit on it or pee on
I
it?
have not seen that done before.
I could pee on it. I heard it
I didn't get
helps.
stung by a jellyfish.
Hey, Parker.
Hey, we just blew this thing up. Would you be able to tow us back?
Yeah, let me spin around.
All right, we're just north of Blackburn.
Oh,
We're a little shooken up right now. I bet Chance's shot is gonna be a bit pointed at the sky. I'm so glad everyone's okay. I'm shook right now, dude.
good.
I got some, I definitely have shrapnel on my back. Dude, what? This exploded, the exhaust is ruined. Look at this piece of shrapnel right there. Oh, blew a hole out the charge pipe. Oil on the bottom of the boat from probably the turbo. Oh my God, dude, what just happened? I'm parking this thing, bro.
There's a reason your last name's Parker.
So what do you guys think? First rip on the Thai boat, what do you
Dude,
think?
Just even that clap just put PTSD. Bro, I went.
I mean, she was on a rip though. That thing was chooching.
Like a rip out of my lip.
My relatives called me. That's their house right there. We should just go there and have a drink, honestly, at this point, dude.
Just call it a day right there.
Parker,
Yeah.
is that you out in the bay?
Yeah, it's me.
Do you need to bring your boat over here and dock it?
Yeah, it blew
Bunch
up.
of smoke blow.
Yeah, it blew up. We got a paddle. Will Gross, I think, is coming to get us though, so we're good.
Well, you can leave it here tied up to the pond. Those.
I appreciate that, but it doesn't float for very long. It's got holes in it.
That's not a good thing, Parker.
Our belch.
Will's almost here. He's gonna get us and take us back, and then we're gonna go to the tiki bar and have a drink after this.
I think you probably deserve it. I heard it happen, and I looked out and I saw a bunch of smoke. and
Did
I
you
said,
get it
"Oh my
on your
God, I think
security
that's
camera?
I don't know. I'll have to look and see.
Oh, we need that. That would
Okay,
be
I'll look
great.
and see.
Okay.
Okay, call us if you need us, okay, hon?
All right, bye. So what do you guys want to do after this? You want to go drag racing?
That's what this stopped.
Bro, that's a natural piece of the wood.
That's what stopped this piece of metal from entering my back.
Oh, no, there is a big chunk out down here. For real, though. For real, for real.
That would have felt terrible.
I'm just so glad everyone's okay. That was nuts. Well, I got another turbo. You want me to go grab it, slap her on, we can get her back ripping again,
Put
or?
a good turbo on this thing?
You know, I think next time what I'm gonna do is just not let it corrode.
Or just use it every once in a while.
Yeah, that's it. Spray her down with some Dub to 40.
The batteries tried to warn us. The batteries were like, don't go out today.
No, that's boat stuff, dude.
I'll get the battery.
Boats and batteries, dude, that's every time you go out. So don't listen to that. I mean, it's devastating. Look at that turbo up front, Will. That's not good.
I'm starting to think Will came just to help us today. Thank you.
Well, we don't have any lines. All we've got is some life jackets and an oar.
We're supposed to experience Florida. You're not going to experience this in Ohio, ever.
That is true.
Now we got a rescue boat. Now it's a rescue mission. I mean,
You know, dude, this is what I like about you. You're always so positive.
listen,
You know, glass half full.
it's your money. I'm out nothing. In fact, I'm making content out of this. All right. So
You're
I'm
making
gonna
money.
benefit from all this.
You're making money off me right now.
I had to take a hole in the lip and a little finger.
We go to the office, I'll sew it up. Weird part about this is there's nowhere to hook this rope, so
We can just
you
hold it
will
like
have to
that.
hold it. I would recommend tying it around your neck.
Anything but a turbo. You should change your name. Teeth and
Turbos, that's what it was before.
I know. You should change your name. No more turbos.
Man, I'm just glad you didn't break a tooth or put a hole in your head, man.
All right, Will, let's go.
Oh, your glasses!
Let's go.
And they're gone. Oh, the life jacket didn't inflate.
Put my hat.
Wait, those life jackets are supposed to automatically inflate.
Did it?
No.
I could have just drowned it.
I'm getting my money back. Minus 10,000 aura.
Yeah.
What's up?
We're doing, guys.
Been better. Give him the rope, throw him the rope. Hit it, hit it. Thing flips over. Did you scratch my boat?
No, sir.
Thank you. Thanks, Will. All right, well, I guess I'll go get the truck now. I gotta go kiss some grass, dude.
I know. I stepped on the boat. I was like, this feels good. This feels real good.
Oh man, Noah, you good?
I'm good.
All right, bro.
Untouched. We're literally
Yeah, you.
all safe and should be very thankful.
Seriously, man, so thankful. Like that turbine spinning at thousands of RPM. Like I'm shook. I'm afraid to see that slow-mo of it like zipping past our heads, man.
Boom.
Like when I saw you like frantic, I was like, oh my God, did he get smoked? Like I was like, I knew I got peppered in the back a little bit, but like,
Very thankful.
woo!
Want to shout anybody
Yeah,
out?
shout 'em
We're on
out.
Facebook Live right now.
My daughters are over there.
Daughters, you want us?
Florida.
There you go. Oh, you're not from Florida?
No, New York.
Okay, welcome to Florida.
What happened?
Turbo exploded.
Hate when that happens.
Roman almost died.
Oh, I got a hole in my lip. Check it out.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Are you a doctor? Can you...
Yeah, I can do anything.
I can do anything.
I like that attitude.
I'm a mother. I
Yeah,
can do
she,
anything.
There you go.
blood, feces don't phase her. Like, I'll tell you when to stop, Nate. I don't really care at this point, dude. Honestly.
Probably got damage in the below too.
Truck goes in the water.
Oh yeah. I thought you said.
Yep, go ahead and creeper. Looking real good here, bud.
Just let her slide off the back.
All right, stop. Oh. All right, go ahead and jump in and hold the thing up. So what do you think? This is a good piece to take your wife out on a date with?
I'll be honest. I felt romanticized. I feel like you should definitely buy me dinner afterwards.
I'll buy you dinner after this, bud. I think I owe you one. Yo, dry socks on wet feet.
Is that like washing your hands with?
Wait, did you see that he backstraps his high tops?
I have to because these laces are so long. They just
Oh,
drag.
yeah.
What is this? The roast of the Atwoods right now?
Looking for a turbo for my Longtail. If anyone sees Eddie out there on the market. But I think it's time to park this thing. Honestly, dude, if somebody wants to buy this thing off me, shoot me an email because I've got a family to raise at this point. But I really do think we should get it back going again.